Okay, so, and we're going to do some sketching of graphs here for this section where we're doing radical functions. And actually when we get to the exponential functions in this section, that's the title of the lesson today. And when I mean sketch the graph, it means you don't have to do a table of values, but you just need to make sure you get the details correct. And I'll show you what I mean by that. And that's where sometimes your calculator will let you down, especially if you just think you're going to look at the screen and just kind of give it a wag. Okay, that looks like it. If you got to show enough details that you understand what just went on. Here's I'm going to do the parent function, right? The parent function of the square root of x looks like that. We've already confirmed that. That's a sketch. Okay, then we're going to do this, and I'll do that one with a blue, and I'll do this one, and I'll do that one with a red. So how's it going to shift that graph if I add 2 after the square root? Up 2. After the function is vertical, plus means up. So again, in terms of sketching, to show the detail, make sure that you clearly show that is, use enough hash marks there that it looks like it's up 2. Even if you don't label it with 2, that's okay as long as it looks like you got 2 hash marks and it goes up like that. That's a sketch. How about the red one? I subtract 1 after the function means down 1, right? And so I make sure that I've got 1 good hash mark there, and I go up 1, or up and to the right. Pretty easy. Okay, we'll do the same thing for these. This will be our red. This one will be our blue. We'll put on our parent function, which is this. And then the blue one, how do I shift it? Because I added 3 inside. Left 3. Left 3. Plus means left. Okay, and how about the second one? Yeah, minus 2 inside means right 2. I mean, if you have to convince yourself on those, because they always kind of have an opposite sense, understand that we started with the point 0, 0 as being the starting point of this graph, right? When I put in -3 for x, then this one gives me y equals 0. That gives me that point on the x-axis. That's why it goes to the left, because putting in -3 is what makes this 0 and this 0. Putting in +2 here, 2 minus 2 is 0, so that's 0. That's where it's giving you that anchor point on the x-axis. Right? And you could have some combination of up, down, left, and right, or a flip. They all work the same way. Only the new thing that goes on here is just what does the parent function look like? And we should know what the square root looks like.